Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. We're with Chris, and Chris, this looks like a real runner. It's a 1989 BMW 325IS, and you just pulled in, and I kind of ambushed you to take a look at your car, and it looks like you just drive the hell out of it and have a lot of fun. Can you tell us about the car, Chris?
Yeah, I mean, I've had it for like 15 years.
Wow.
It was actually my first real build. It has currently been completely blown apart. There's nothing not touched on it. It's an S52 swap with a ZF320. Full wheel kit all the way around.
Oh, wow. I saw them on the front. I didn't even notice them on the back. Yeah. And you were speaking French before that. You were talking about, I guess, the motor?
Yeah, it's a S52 B32.
Okay. And then I need to find out more about your your shifter. That looks pretty unique. So, what is the motor out of?
Out of a 96 M3 BMW.
Holy crap.
Pretty common swap, super well-known swap on these cars.
Okay. Did you do the swap yourself?
Yeah.
Is this the first swap you've ever done?
No.
Okay.
I've had like 20 or 30 cars now.
Oh, really?
This is the only one that's ever stuck around.
Yeah. And so I'm assuming this is something unique as well?
What? That's the original.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Okay. I've never looked under the hood of a 325IS. So tell me about the engine and what is the benefit? Obviously speed. And
so like originally the factory engines are like 159 or 169, I can't remember exactly, horsepower.
Right.
These are 240. They rev out nicer than the factory single overhead cam. They just make it a much more spirited driving car.
Okay, now you sound like a BMW owner.
Yeah,
spirited driver.
Well, originally I bought this car when I was 17, and I put an M50 in it, which is the lesser variant of this engine.
Okay.
And, decided years ago to put an S52 in it because that was the hot shit to do.
Yeah.
Hot stuff to do. And
you can cuss, I don't care.
Okay. And it kind of just snowballed from I wanted to do everything I always wanted to do. So it's got Fortune coilovers all the way around. It's recovered the seats, did a crack-free dash, redid the entire interior.
Can I open the door? Is it okay? So tell me about the shifter.
So it's just a synergistic body mount shifter.
Okay.
It's just a BMW thing where they tend to have kind of weak shifters compared to a lot of cars.
Okay.
So everything is solid mounted in the shifter, so it's a very positive feel shift versus normally they're kind of flimsy and loose feeling.
How is the throw on? Is it?
It's pretty short.
Yeah.
Very notchy.
What I love about it, what drew me to it right away is the bugs on it. That told me that, okay, here's a guy that just wants to run.
Yeah. So I literally just got this car done like 3 weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
And it's like I said, far from perfect. So
it's perfect for you though.
Drive it.
Yeah. And I apologize. I think I swallowed a darn bug. It is really nice.
What's nice is what counts. What I see, which is the interior.
Yeah.
Is nice.
Very clean.
When I drive it, it looks nice to me. It doesn't have to look that great on the outside, but it isn't rusty, which is what's big to me, and kind of hard to find with these cars. So.
What drew you to it?
Huh?
Excuse me. What drew you to it to begin with?
So it was $400. I was like trying to get into 240 SXs at that time because like drifting scene was starting to grow up in St. Louis, and these were really cheap and affordable. And I don't know, I've had, like I said, of the 30 cars I've had, I've probably had 12 E30s, and probably have parted out almost the same amount. So it's the car that means a lot to me as far as just like I said, first car kind of. First real car.
Wonderful.
Had a couple Camaros and stuff, thinking I was going to be a Camaro guy. Never really panned out.
But you made a nice choice.
Yeah, it's different. You're seeing a lot less of them now.
Well, before I choke to death, anything else you want, any uniqueness about the vehicle we should talk about?
Not that I know of.
All righty. Well, thank you so much, Chris. Appreciate you telling us the story behind the car.